This video demonstrates the execution of the shell script to determine the number of matched characters of two strings. The problem statement of the shell script exercise is to determine the number of matched characters of two strings starting from its beginning. Let us now observe the demonstration of execution of the shell scripts solving the problem. The file expr03 is opened by giving a command vi expr03 at the $prompt. The complete shell scripts available in the file expr03 are displayed by the VI editor on the screen. We shall try to understand the workings of each shell script line by line in the file expr03. The first two lines of the shell scripts are the comment lines. In UNIX, a comment line starts with hash character. The third line of the shell script is echo command. Echo enter two strings. This echo command will display the text enter two strings on the terminal. The fourth line of the shell script is a read script. Read S1, S2. This read script will read two values from the standard input device, and these two values will be assigned to the variables S1 and S2 respectively. The fifth line of the script is an assignment script. mlen1 equal to expr $s1 $s2 Backquote is used for command substitution. When the shell encounters a string between backquotes, it executes the command given inside the backquotes and replaces the backquoted string with the standard output of the command. In this assignment script, the expr will determine the number of matched characters from S1 to S2 starting from its beginning. The resultant value will be assigned to the variable on the left hand side, namely to mlen1. The sixth line of the script is also an assignment script. mlen2 equal to expr match $s1 $s2 backquote. This assignment script is same as the previous assignment script, except that there the operator colon is used to determine the number of matched characters. Here the operator match is used to determine the number of matched characters. In this assignment script, the expr will determine the number of matched characters from S1 to S2 starting from its beginning. The resultant value will be assigned to the variable on the left hand side, namely to mlen2. The seventh line of the shell script is an echo script. Echo, the first string is $s1. This echo script will output the text. The first string is as it is. In place of $s1, it will output the value of S1. The eighth line of the script is also an echo script. Echo, the second string is $s2. This echo command will output the text. The second string is as it is. And in place of $s2, it will output the value of S2. The ninth line of the shell script is also an echo command. Echo the number of matched characters using colon operator $mlen1. This echo command will output the text the number of matched characters using colon operator as it is, and in place of $mlen1 it will print the value of mlen1. The last line of the shell script is also an echo command. Echo the number of matched characters using match operator $mlen2. This echo command will output the text the number of matched characters using match operator as it is, and in place of $mlen2 it will print the value of mlen2. Now we press escape :WQ. The shell will come out of the VI editor after saving the file expr03 and it returns the $prompt. To run the shell script file expr03, we give a command sh expr03 at the $prompt. The shell starts executing the shell scripts available in the file expr03. The shell displays a text enter two strings on the screen. Then the user has to give the inputs. The user can enter shell scripting shell as inputs. The shell generates the output as the first string is shell scripting, the second string is shell, the number of matched characters using colon operator 5, the number of matched characters using match operator 5. The same shell script file expr03 is executed again by giving the command sh expr03 at the $prompt. The shell displays the text enter two strings on the terminal. Then the user has to give the inputs. The user can enter the inputs as today and to. The shell generates the outputs as the first string is today, the second string is to, the number of matched characters using colon operator to, the number of matched characters using match operator to. Thank you.